Shankara, Chandrashekara, Gangadhara, Sumanohara, Shankara, Chandrashekara, Gangadhara, Sumanohara, Pahimam, Abhayankara, Mrityunjaya Visweshwara, Pahimam, Abhayankara, Mrityunjaya Visweshwara, Nilakanta, phalanetra, bhasma, abhushita, sundara, Nilakanta, phalanetra, bhasma, abhushita, sundara. So at first it starts with E minor, but with the finger on the third fret, second chord, note is D. So you alternate between so always it minor, all you alternate is between the sixth and the fifth chord string with your thumb, with your thumbs. Shankara, Chandrashekara, Gangadhara, Sumanohara. Then D. Pahimam, G. Abhayankara, Mrityunjaya Visweshwara. So this is like an A7, but it's modified. 8-7. You can do 8-7, it's the same, but I keep it on the D here on the second string. So you can either do A7, but I do it here, right? There. Pahimam, Abhayankara, Mrityunjaya Visweshwara, Nilakanta, G. Phalanetra, bhasma, abhushita, sundara, D. A7. Nilakanta, phalanetra, bhasma, abhushita, sundara. There you go. My favorite chant. Enjoy it.